record thing?
Alright, what's up guys? Today we're going to be going over how I shoot my cinematics for my YouTube channel, Instagram Reel, and TikTok videos. This will be a beginner based video, so if you guys want more detailed and advanced videos, let me know in the comment section below. Cinematics is a great way to tell stories visually with aesthetic color grading, movements, dynamic shots, sequences, and I'm also going to be doing a how to shoot rolling shots and how to use a drone for these type of shots as well, so stay tuned for that. So starting off with gear, I personally use the Sony a7S III. You don't need anything fancy. You could honestly start with your iPhone. For my first 3 years, I was shooting on a Canon G7X, which just shoots 60 frames per second in 1080p, which is pretty bad to today's standards. You need to set your frame rate to at least 60 frames per second. This will allow you to smooth out and slow down your footage for post, which will give you a much more cinematic look. Anyways, you want to get an ND filter. To keep it simple, they're like sunglasses for your camera. You also want to get a polarizer. This will get rid of any reflections from things like the sky or the ocean. Next, you will want some sort of stabilizer. I personally use the Ronin RS2. Of course, you don't need anything fancy. I started off with like a cheap $200 stabilizer initially, or you could even shoot handheld if you want, which is basically half my shots. Just make sure you use the Ninja Walk, which is where you slightly crouch and you move as stable as possible. Usually just try to take a deep breath, hold my breath, take my shot, then breathe out. Now, if you're actually shooting for Instagram or TikTok, you know you have to shoot vertically. You could always just flip the camera around, or if you're shooting with a 4K camera, you could always crop in post, which is what I do sometimes when I shoot with a gimbal. Now, getting into camera movements, you can go crazy when it comes to this stuff. Going forward, going back, going side to side, getting close-ups for detailed shots. Quick tip though, do try to avoid getting the reflection of yourself in any of the shots. This will make your shots look a little more amateur, so make sure you stay out of frame. And of course, I highly recommend getting more dynamic shots, such as adding the drone, rolling shots, and anything that you can think of that will make the video a little bit better. I do highly recommend trying to attach to a story to that video and make it visually more entertaining that way. Anyways, here's my final edit. Hope you guys enjoy, and if you guys have any additional questions, feel free to ask me in the comments section below.